Good morning dear students, welcome back to our CLE's KK CBSE School Chikkodi. Dear students, in last class we have completed the concept of microorganism. So dear students, in today's concept we are going to introduce the third chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So dear students, when we are talking about the fibers, what do you mean by fibers? So, dear students, have you ever analyzed that? What are the clothes we are wearing? How it is made up of? It is made up of the fibers itself. So, clothes is nothing but the fabric, or you can say as a textile. Okay. So, dear students, the fabric or clothes which we are wearing, it is obtained from the fibers. So, how you can say that? What do you mean by fibers? So, fiber is nothing but the thread. Okay, fiber is nothing but the thread. So, dear students, let's classify these fibers. So, these fibers are classified as totally two types. What are those two types? That is natural fibers and the synthetic fibers. So, let us discuss these two concepts. So, dear students, what we are learning? We are learning about the fiber. So, fiber is nothing but the thread. Okay, thread. Okay, so what are the uses of these fibers? That is making fabric. Okay, or some of the households also you are going to made up of fibers itself. So, households. So, these are the uses. Okay. So, when we are going to classify this fiber, it is classified into totally two types. So, what are those two types? That is the natural fiber, and next is the synthetic fiber. So, dear students, in 7th standard already you have studied about the natural fiber. So, let us recall what are the types of natural fibers. So, natural fibers is nothing but the fibers which can be obtained from the nature, is it? So, which can be obtained from the nature is called as the natural fiber. So, what are the two classification of this natural fiber? That is the animal fiber and second one is the plant fiber. Okay. So, can you give me examples of animal fiber? So, have you used the clothes which is made up of wool, the clothes which is made up of silk? So, which type of example it is? It is the animal fiber. Okay. The clothes which is made up of cotton, which example it is? That is plant fiber. So, how we can get the cotton? We can get the cotton from the plant. So, what are the examples of animal fiber? The examples of animal fiber is silk, wool. So, these are the examples of animal fiber. What are the examples of plant fiber? So, what are the examples of plant fiber? So, best example of plant fiber, that is cotton, or you can take a jute. So, varieties of examples are there about the animal fiber and the plant fiber. So, dear students, it is all about you have studied in a 7th standard. So, what is our next concept that we have to learn in a 8th standard? That is the synthetic fiber. Okay, that is the synthetic fiber. What do you mean by synthetic fiber? which fiber, okay, those fibers which are prepared in the laboratory, which are prepared in the industries, or you can say it is a man-made fiber, okay, it is made by the human beings. So such type of fibers is called as a synthetic fiber. So how you are going to say this synthetic fiber? That is, it is man-made fiber, man-made fiber which prepared in laboratories. For testing we have to first prepare in the laboratories, okay, laboratories. Then later on for using purpose we are going to, means we are preparing this synthetic fiber in a large manner in the industries, okay. So in the industries. So synthetic fiber is nothing but the man-made fiber which prepared in the laboratories or industries for use purpose, okay. So we are using this man-made fibers. So dear students, what are the examples of this synthetic fiber? So in this chapter we have to study one by one this synthetic fibers. So what are the examples of synthetic fiber? Just take it here, okay. So first we are going to study here, that is the rayon, okay. Next is the nylon, rayon, nylon. Next is the acrylic, and fourth one is the polyester. So there are varieties of examples are there about the rayon, nylon, acrylic and the polyester in our day-to-day life. So dear students, when we are talking about the rayon, okay, so it is also called as a artificial silk. So let us discuss first thing rayon in today's class. So dear students, I hope there is no confusion about the fibers. It is nothing but the thread where we are using to make a fabric and the households. So usually these fibers are classified into two types, that is the natural fiber and next one is the synthetic fiber. Natural fiber is nothing but the which can be obtained from the nature is called as the natural fiber. So what are the two classification? That is the animal fiber and the plant fiber. Animal fiber examples are silk and wool. Plant fiber examples are cotton and jute. So when we are talking about the synthetic fiber, this synthetic fiber is nothing but the man-made fiber. And what are the examples of these synthetic fibers? That is rayon, nylon, acrylic and the polyester. So these are some examples of synthetic fiber. So dear students, let's discuss about the rayon. Okay. So let us discuss about the rayon. So dear students, you are well familiar this concept about the rayon. So here when we are talking about the rayon, it is the also known as the artificial silk. So dear students, a pure silk, how we can obtain a pure silk? Pure silk we can obtain from the animal fiber, that is silkworm. Okay, so now we are not going to discuss how the silkworm are preparing the silk, but this silkworm we are going to obtain from the silkworm. So in similar way, when we are entering into the concept of synthetic fiber, this rayon is similar type of silk itself. Okay, how the material is shining means how the silk is shining in nature. In similar way, the rayon, clothes or another household thing which is made up of silk, rayon itself, it is shining in nature. So that's why we are calling this rayon as a artificial silk. Okay dear students, so today we are going to introduce only the concept of rayon. Now what is your work? While attending the next class, what you have to be learned, that is what are the uses. Okay, first just try to search of uses. Just analyze that which material is like a rayon itself. Search in Google, search textbook. So whatever sources you have, just try to search it. Then in next class we are going to discuss the rayon concept in a brief manner. Till that time just search it. Okay, so just take a today's homework. That is, what is synthetic fiber? This is your first question. What is synthetic fiber? And next is, what are the uses of rayon? So these two questions you have to be solved. What are the uses of rayon? So in next class we are going to discuss the uses of rayon in a brief manner. With that we are going to cover the next concept about the nylon and the acrylic and polyester part. So dear students, just go through the concept. Already you are well familiar this concept, but it is very interesting as well as it is related to our day-to-day life. So dear students, have a good day. Let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.